do-it-yourself deli here with some dandelions. And I am told you can eat these. That means you. Not me. Make wine out of them, I've heard that. But they seem to be plentiful at this time of year. And,
Well, give it a
edible
shot.
and survivable.
Yeah.
Survival situations, if you gotta do it, you gotta do it.
I think it just tastes like soup,
It's kind of bland.
like a salad. If you like salad, you like.
Yeah, it tastes bad.
Just kind of like a leafy.
Yeah. Yeah. You can eat them. You can eat them too.
Don't we have to say some kind of disclaimer, like not with the fertilizer or something?
Yeah, don't have it if you use fertilizer or weed kill.
Yeah, no weed killer or fertilizer on this stuff, just organic.
You can eat the whole plant, stem, leaves.
You can eat everything.